Namaste and a warm welcome to the honorable guests, delegates and speakers to one of the most awaited and happening events of the year, KahoTech 2020, a jugalbandi of technology, innovation and healthcare at its best. I'm Dr. Anna George, General Manager Quality, Rajagiri Hospital, Kerala, State Representative of Kaho, and currently joining you from Mauritius. Glad to be your host for this event. KahoTech 2020 is the 5th International Healthcare Technology Conference of Consortium of Accredited Healthcare Organizations to be held from 25th to 29th September. KahoTech is a platform for healthcare organizations and technology industry to share and utilize combined experience to guide themselves continuously towards more efficient practices utilizing technological development. The theme this year is Future of Healthcare, Making It Happen. We proceed to our inaugural function now to deliver the formal welcome address. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite the Secretary General of KAHO, Associate General Superintendent and Quality Manager, CMC Vellore, Dr. Lalu Joseph. She has been the driving force for all KAHO activities and the extensive work and network it has happened today that is crossing all borders. She's a principal assessor for NABH, recipient of the DL Shaw QCI Award and BMJ Southeast Asian Award. Teacher, trainer, quality implementer, healthcare administrator, all rolled into one. Ladies and gentlemen, I now invite the Power Pack Dynamite, KAHO's very own rock star and superstar, Dr. Lalu Joseph.
Thank you so much, Anna. Very good evening, everyone. On behalf of Dr. Vijay Agarwal, President of KAHO, and the dynamic governing committee of KAHO, including the state and zonal representatives, it is my proud privilege as Secretary General of KAHO to welcome you all to the 5th edition of this technology conference. KAHO is the consortium of accredited healthcare organizations established in 2013. Our objectives are to promote quality, patient safety, and accreditation. Technology, we believe, is a great enabler of quality and patient safety, and we advocate technology enablement to promote efficiency and effectiveness of hospital operations to bring about quality and patient safety. KAHO today has grown leaps and bounds in India and is in a growth trajectory in other countries, particularly in Asia. Our patrons and founding members, Dr. Alexander Thomas, Dr. Girdhar Gyani, Dr. Venkatesh Tuppil, and Dr. Pawan Kapoor have been instrumental in establishing KAHO with their visionary outlook. Dr. Arati Verma, Dr. C.M. Bhagat, and Mrs. Upasana Arora contributed immensely to the growth and handed over the baton to us. KAHO, with its vision and partnership, is working on restructuring to bring about focus in governance. We need to focus more on diagnostics and quality professionals in the coming days. The plan is to have 3 verticals for KAHO, namely the KAHO hospitals, KAHO diagnostics, and KAHO professionals. Each vertical will have a chairman and governing committee members. KAHO Central will be the president, vice president, Secretary General, Finance Secretary, and the chairman of the 3 divisions. We also propose to appoint a full-time CEO for the operations. This has been approved by our governing committee, patrons, and the founding members, and we plan to implement this year. We have always been inclusive, and our office bearers have been excellent facilitators. We invite you to come forward and engage with KAHO. Today, KAHO stands tall with the support of all our institutional members, individual members, and associate members. It is a great day for us at KAHO to have over 1,000 registrations and international delegates for our virtual conference. What started as a one-day event in 2015 at Hyderabad with just about 100 participants has grown to be an international event in the 5th year. Special thanks to Mr. Somital, Dr. Nagendra Sami, Dr. Narendra Nath, Mr. Samir Mehta, and Mr. Adel for making this event what it is today. Once again, on behalf of KAHO, I welcome you all to the largest technology event of the year, KAHO Tech, and the academic feast brought to you by KAHO. Thank you and have a very good evening.
Thank you, ma'am, for that warm welcome and for setting this platform on fire, as usual, with your beautiful presence and powerful words. Next, we have the evergreen hero of KAHO, whose vision and leadership has taken KAHO to an international platform and made it synonymous for healthcare training, education, and innovation. He has been part of many task forces and committees for healthcare policy formulations and implementation in India. Recipient of the Distinguished Alumnus Awards from Maulana Azad Medical College, Lifetime Achievement Award of Indian Medical Association, and Quimpros Platinum Awards for Healthcare. Dear delegates, inviting the President of KAHO, Dr. Vijay Agarwal, to enlighten us about the KAHO success and activities 2019-20.
Good morning to friends in East Coast of United States. Good afternoon to friends in the Europe time zone, and good evening to all people in India and right up to Australia. I welcome you to this 5th Annual Technology Conference of KAHO Tech. My special gratitude to our chief guest, Ms. Sangeeta Reddy, for gracing the occasion. Friends, DNA of our organization is to promote patient safety and safe practices in the hospitals and diagnostic centers. Simple strategy has been to develop a platform where all healthcare organizations, big and small, feel comfortable in sharing best practices and join in enhancing training capabilities. The amount of encouragement and love and affection that we have received in a short span of time seems to suggest that we are on the right path. Our events, KAHOCon and KAHO Tech, have become a must attend for all concerned. Growth of KAHO Tech over the 5 editions has been phenomenal. We were very disappointed when it was becoming clear that we will not be able to organize the conference in the usual physical way. But as we started to organize it in the virtual way, we realized the benefits of doing it on the virtual platform so that the faculty and delegates from all across the globe are able to join. The fact that we were using virtual platform for conducting regular webinars and other interactive meetings for the last 4 years helped us tremendously. Our collaboration with the International Society for Quality, ISQA, and the Asian Society for Quality, ESQA, and many national organizations has helped us in increasing our reach to all over the country and even outside the Indian subcontinent. There is at times, ladies and gentlemen, a kind of a turf war between the various accreditation bodies. But they must realize that all of them are assessing good and safe practices. KAHO is of the considered opinion that all healthcare organizations should understand and implement safe practices, and accreditation is a third-party assessment of the same in a structured manner. We must work towards developing a culture of safety. Medical errors are the 3rd leading cause of death in a developed country like United States. You can well imagine what is happening in the developing countries. We all have to do much more to make healthcare delivery safer. Technology is the game changer in accelerating and monitoring the safe practices. This pandemic has given a booster shot to the healthcare organizations to adopt digital health. In this edition of KAHO Tech, we will listen to the challenges before us and the global perspectives and learnings from them. Please do give us your feedback, as that is very crucial to us for us to learn and to improve. So thank you very much, and thank you all for joining. Thank you.
We now have the Vice President of KAHO and Organizing Chairman of KAHO Tech, Mr. Sameer Mehta. Mr. Mehta is the Vice Chairman of Dr. Mehta's Hospitals, Chennai. He's also the co-founder of India Home Healthcare, co-designer of the Health Game, Values Game, and the Fears Game. Mr. Mehta is amongst the top 10 leading healthcare investors of India and recipient of multiple national and international awards in healthcare, investing, entrepreneurship, and community development. Mr. Sameer Mehta, inviting you, sir, to share the introduction and themes for KahoTech 2020.
So first of all, everybody on the audience, a great grand welcome to KahoTech 2020. I think it's finally here. Many of us have been toiling behind closed doors so that we have a truly global, highly connected event, which is virtual, which connects some of the best minds around the world and is really a feast for your learning. So this program is for you, just as is for many of us, where we have the opportunity to learn best practices, where we get to see a bird's eye view around the top technologies that are being implemented in hospitals, sometimes near us and sometimes far, far away from us. And I think that is what Kaho truly represents, the capacity to bring great minds together to share the best of practices, insights, and wisdom. And I think we should be clear, we are standing on the shoulders of giants, people like Alex, we have Dr. Gyani, we have Dr. Tupil, we have many other leaders that help us soar into the stars because we stand on the shoulders of those giants. And over the next 5 days, we hope that the highly curated content that our teams have put together around 5 core topics that we thought are key for you. When we reached out to many of you, you shared that, look, we have all these great concepts of telemedicine, and during COVID, it's clearly the need for the hour. But how do you actually get it to be adopted, not only from outside, which the consumer desperately wants because they're scared of hospitals at times, but from inside, from our own clinicians, from our own administrators. We wanted to see what the future of learning is. Is it always going to be digital? Is it going to be the best of digital with virtual reality or simulators and the like? We looked at day 3, which is the Sunday program around connected health. And here we looked at other things around wearables, other things around the Internet of Things and sensors within a hospital environment, a home care environment, and multiple other environments. We looked at the hospitals of the future. What would those hospitals truly look like? Because really one thing COVID has taught us is we better get to the future today, because the challenges that we see are very different to what we had seen before. And we need to do this together. And that brings us to the 5th day, which is what next Tuesday will represent, the 29th. And that is the next generation of healthcare for India. So leveraging the various government initiatives as well as the collective consortium initiatives, how can we do this together? Really, I have to give special thanks to the team that's really worked hard over the last year and especially over the last 3 months. Trust me, burning the midnight oil is very, very real. I think a real special thank you to the Kaho leadership, Vijay, Lalu, the rest of the stars in the regional and state champions. I think you had faith in doing this in a virtual platform. It's the first we've ever tried it. Last year, you had faith in us in Nama Madras, but today it's a very different beast. It's something where you can't meet each other, can't talk to each other. How do you bring us all together? So this is truly virtual. And I think a special thanks goes to my organizing secretary and actually right hand and left hand most of the time, Edel, who I think we work a lot in AHPI together. And now we're seeing the fruits of that collective working together across industries, across companies, across states, coming to the best of forefronts, whether it's in Vellore or Madurai, in Delhi or Mauritius or London, it doesn't matter. We will deliver KahoTech. And I think a special thank you to the chairs that are going to represent each of the 5 days. So Uma today, Sameer tomorrow, Dr. Nagendra Swami on day 4 and Som on day 5. And I think these folks have really taken themselves to give you a program that's rock star special. So with that, we'd like you over the next 5 days to stay safer, to stay healthier, to have more smiles than you had last year during our KahoTech. And during these strange and tough times, we think you will learn a lot and leverage this opportunity to share it with friends and family so that the best of us can be real today. And I pass it on to Edel with that. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mehta, for that wonderful peek into what's stored for us and the live vibe that you are to get our interest up for the next 5 days. Of course, further on to what Mr. Mehta just said, I'm sure all of you would like to know a little bit more in detail about what's happening in the coming 5 days. So coming up next, as Mr. Mehta said, his right hand, left hand is the organizing secretary for KAHOTech 2020, Mr. Adil. Mr. Adil is the General Manager Operations of Meenakshi Mission Hospital, Madurai. He's an active member of the expert committee formed under the Tamil Nadu Health and Family Welfare Department. He has been involved in the planning, organizing, and executing of KAHO events for as long as I can remember. A wonderful organizer, team player, and administrator, I invite Mr. Adil to tell us a bit more regarding the events at KAHOTech 2020.
It's wonderful to see you all across a virtual platform. We never even thought in the past that we would host an event on a virtual platform, and this is true now. And this all happened because of technology. Technology is now more relevant than ever, and healthcare is no exception to it. And KAHOTech is all about it. KAHOTech 2020 is here to ignite the right spirits, the techie in all of us. And we are here to present with you the best of the technology and the healthcare of both the worlds together. KAHOTech 2020 has 3 components. One is the virtual pitch fest, where we have seen on the 19th of September, the best of the startup ideas have been presented before a grand jury. And we have identified and selected the best of them, which are waiting to be recognized on the 29th September at the Valley Retreat. We also saw the hospitals who said that we are not lesser than them, and the hospitals did come forward with a lot of innovative ideas during these COVID times, and they did find solutions to their own problems. And we've identified the best of the hospital ideas over a wonderful moderated session on the 23rd. And they're also, the best of those ideas are also waiting to be recognized on the 29th September. And we are at the junction of KAHOTech with 5 themes across 5 days. As Sam had explained, those themes. So we are here to give a cuisine of knowledge from across the world, across 5 themes, ranging from telemedicine, connected care, online learning, future of hospitals, and Swasth Bharat. This platform will also give you access to a virtual expo. So please be connected to the platform to see what's happening in the exhibitor page. And also do follow our event page to know updates on the event. Also, there's a contest and leaderboard page where you will get to see a lot of exciting contests happening, and we are sure to give away some surprise packages or surprise prizes at the end of the event. So looking forward to stay connected to this platform. Have a great evening. Thank you.